Well, the head of the Tobago Business Chamber says there are not just lives being counted as casualties in the COVID-19 pandemic war. In a statement released on Saturday, Martin George says businesses can also be counted as casualties, and more needs to be done to save both lives and business. The war, as he calls it, is now forcing businesses to find more figurative weapons to their arsenal.
This requires us to reorganize, re-strategize, and think over the plan and be more innovative and creative as we go along. This is unprecedented and uncharted territory for all of us. However, it's no time for us to throw our hands up in despair and simply say, well, we will bury our heads in the sand and we will remain under curfew and lockdown and state of emergency until this is over.
Mr. George says the reality now is that the business community and the country on the whole needs to find creative ways to live with the virus. He has a very strong opinion on what the next stage of national COVID-19 management should be, and it involves legislation in the Parliament,
whereby you are able to reopen your business sector, reopen your entertainment sector, reopen your restaurants, bars immediately, by simply having legislation that mandates that all staff, workers and personnel interacting with these bars, business places and places of entertainment must be fully vaccinated, and that the patrons themselves must also be fully vaccinated.
He says this means businesses should now be able to open immediately if these measures are put in place. Mr. George is of the opinion that government should not be afraid of any pushback on these measures, keeping in mind what happened to Prime Minister Dr. Gonsalves when his government tried similar measures recently.